Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to rent a car in the Wizz Air app. Just open the app and click on the top left corner, these three lines, and scroll down a little bit until you find services and rent a car. Click on it, and now you can say where you are going, for example London to Luton. Now you have to select the date, the pickup date first, and then the return date. Click on continue, specify the time as well and the age of the driver, and click on search for cars. Wait a little bit, and now you can choose your car, click on it, and now you can see some information about the car and click on continue. Now you have to specify your details, and here you can see how much you will have to pay, and if you have finished with it, then click on continue. And that's basically it. I hope it helps.